Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Yesterday we have read about the chapter Two Friends, and we have learnt how there were four friends in the forest and how they fought and saved their friend from the hunter. In the book exercises, there are few grammar exercises also which we will discuss in this video. Beta, now I have taught you what are nouns. You all must be knowing. Nouns is the name of a person, any person, place, animal or things. Okay. Or we can also say noun are naming words, so that you know. But there is now a different kind of noun which we are going to study today, and its name is countable noun and uncountable noun. From the name itself you can make it out what are countable nouns. Ma'am is saying countable and one is uncountable. So what is the definition of countable noun? Those nouns which we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the things, the name of a person, place, animal or thing which you can count, जिसको आप गिन सकते हो. And uncountable which are there, which you see but you cannot count, जिसको आप चाहो भी तो आप नहीं काउंट कर सकते, वो अनकाउंटेबल होते हैं. And this concept I will explain you with the help of many examples. Okay, children. Now I have collected many things to teach you this concept in a very funny manner. See, I have brought some pencils. You can see pencils. Now I will tell you to count the pencils. Can you count them? I can count them. Even my daughter has counted it, and I am very sure you will also count it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 pencils, right? Now I will show you certain sketch pens also. See, can you count them? Yes, of course you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and many more. If there were 100 sketch pens, then also I am very sure you must have counted them. So you can count pencils, you can count sketch pens. Here ma'am is having some hairband. I hope girls must be very happy with this. So girls, can you count these hairbands? Yes, you love to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and many more. If I would have this much, then also I am very sure, although you will take a much little time, but you will count it out. Beta, please wait, I will give you. Okay. Then I am having these ice cream sticks also. Can you see? You love to have ice cream in the summers. Yes. So can you count these sticks? Yes, of course we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sticks are of peach color. You can keep it like this. Then how many blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 are of this green, dark green color. Then how many yellow? Only 1 purple and then 2 pinks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 yellow color sticks. So you have counted these many sticks also, right? Now there are few examples of this. This is ma'am's bindi which she is having, and if you will tell me, I will count the number of bindis also your mother uses, you can count. So these are the things or nouns, name of things, or it can be person also, it can be place also which you can count. Acha, now I am asking some questions from you. Try to answer it. Here in a glass I have put some rice. You can see rice, चावल जो मम्मी खाने में बनाती है दोपहर में लंच में. You can see. I hope everybody must be knowing these are rice. Okay. Now, can you count them? Shall I start counting the number of rice grains here in the glass bowl or in the container which your mother is having in your kitchen or storeroom? Beta, I can't count. Can you count? No. You will say, no ma'am, we won't be able to count the number of rice grains in the glass or in the container. आप इसको नहीं गिन सकते हो. इसको मेरी daughters भी नहीं गिन पाएंगी. Nobody in my family. And the whole class will not be, because they are too many and they are all mixed up, है ना? So those nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable noun. Here is one example. Then see, what is this? This is a glass full of water which ma'am loves to see. I am drinking. It's very yummy when you are thirsty. But can you count it? Count the number of water inside the glass. Every day, I'm very sure every day you must be drinking water. Yes, after food, before food, after having fruits and all, blah blah blah. But have you ever thought of counting the number of water you had? You must be saying one glass of water. But how much water is inside? Please count. Nobody will count. So this is uncountable noun. The noun which we cannot count. The noun which we cannot count. Although however hard we try to count them, but we cannot count. See, I'll give you some more example. Every day I'm very sure you must be having milk. Yes, you should have. You have to become strong during this lockdown. You should increase your immunity. Everybody is saying increase your immunity, so that even if the virus comes and attacks you, it will not do any harm if you are strong enough. And if you will drink milk, you will be very strong. But have you ever thought of counting the amount of milk inside the glass? No, nobody will. है ना? Then one more example to make it very clear to you. This is a glass of your mother, father has tea. I am very sure you are not having tea. Don't have tea. Okay children? Don't drink tea. It is very harmful for your health. So these are the tea leaves crushed into tea. And this is put inside a pot and tea is made. Chai patti. So can you count? If I put it in the paper and tell you to count the number of tea grains inside this glass, will you be able to count? You will say, no ma'am, these are too many. It will take too long time and we will become tired, and there are so many tea inside the kitchen also. So you cannot count. So the grains inside, the tea grains inside the glass, the water, all the rice grains inside the glass, then liquid juice. Today ma'am has opened the hairs, not tight plates, just for you only. So can you please count my hairs and tell me how many hairs I am having in my head? Or leave it. Count your hairs. How many hairs you are having in your head or your mother's head? No, you cannot count. So those nouns which you cannot count are called uncountable nouns. There are many uncountable nouns, like there are certain things also like beauty. Can you count the beauty? No. You will only say the girl is very beautiful or girl is not beautiful, but you cannot count how much beautiful. No. Then can you count all the stones which are there besides your house or everywhere on earth? No, you cannot count. Tea you cannot count. If you are laughing, suppose I am laughing, ha 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 ha, then will you ask me, ma'am, how much you will have laughed? Will I be able to tell how much I have laughed during a movie show? No, I cannot tell, because मुझे खुद पता नहीं है मैं कितना हंसी. तो how will I tell? So there are many things like truth, anger, laughter, then beauty, strength. कितनी ताकत है. आपके अंदर कितनी ताकत है, आप काउंट कर सकते हो? नो, यू कैन नॉट काउंट. सो दीज आर द थिंग. देन वुड, कैन यू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ वुड प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर इन द earth, on the earth? No, you cannot count. So children, I hope the video is very clear, the concept is very clear, that those nouns which we can count, like this, like this, like these, like these, and the paper also, I am very sure you can count. Number of pages in your copy or book you can count. So these are countable nouns. But those nouns which you cannot count, you all must be having at your home. Go through it, find out those nouns which you cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Thank you so much children for understanding the concepts.